What happens when the world's best artists, studios, and fans all come together in one place? You get LightBox Expo, and 2025 is going to be our biggest year yet. From October 24th to 26th, join us at the Pasadena Convention Center for 3 unforgettable days of creativity, connection, and inspiration. Get up close with the artists behind your favorite movies, games, shows, and illustrations through live panels, demos, and portfolio reviews. Meet them in person in our amazing Artist Alley, where hundreds of booths are filled with art, books, prints, and one-of-a-kind originals. This year, we're once again taking over the iconic Pasadena Civic Auditorium to host our most popular talks so everyone can get a seat and learn from the very, very best in the industry. And don't forget the Concept Art Awards on Saturday night, where the awards will shine a spotlight on the most outstanding work in the industry. Let's check out some of these amazing artists coming to this year's event. LightBox Expo is the place to be if you want to meet your artistic heroes, connect with your creative community, and walk away inspired more than ever. Tickets are available now at lightboxexpo.com. We can't wait to see you there.